மாணவர்களின் சிந்தனைகளை வடிவமைக்க இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ஸ், மாணவர்களின் தனித்திறமைகளை மேம்படுத்த SNS இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ஸ், மாணவர்களின் சிந்தனைகளை போற்றும் SNS இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ஸ் கோவை.
This is me Vijay Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So today lecture series we are discussing about Industry 4.0 and then some kind of industrial programming techniques and then all those things. Today class we will discussing about some kind of PLC ladder programming, PLC ladder logical and then FBD programming. So first of all, what is meant by ladder logical programming? So the ladder diagram is the most popular PLC programming language because it was the first one introduced when PLCs were first invented as the programmable alternative to hardwired relays in control panels. Ladder diagram was the only programming language available. Ladder diagram was designed to be easy to understand for the electrical engineers that would be using into the programming automation. To make it easy understand, ladder diagram is the high level graphical programming language that is designed to look like electrical schematic. Because it is visual language, it is very easy to understand and debug ladder diagram code. So ladder diagram makes it easy to program and monitor complex Boolean logic, which is exactly what it designed for. So here, so you can see some kind of ladder logical diagram, for example, input assistance and then output assistance. So ladder diagram is a structural text, it is the important one, and also some different kind of functional block diagrams. So in ladder logical diagram we have in a programmable logical controller, so we have a input sensing devices and then output load devices. So the input sensing devices, it may be a switches or a sensors or a relays, whatever it may be, the input sensing devices will sense either it will be high or either it will be a low, that kind of digital things it will be sensing. And also the modules is connected to the PLC. The PLC is powered by the power supply, and the PLC it has a own central processing unit CPU, and also it has a memory programming and then data. The output module, the output may be connected to any kind of things, for example compressors, motors, lights, fans. So whatever it may be, the output may be connected in a different things. So the PLC ladder programming, for example, some kind of things and then OR logical solutions. So for example, OR logical means, so we have in a either the switch 1 or a switch 2 will be high. Any one of the switch high means the output should be high. That is the OR logical. So in this OR logic diagram, with the help of ladder programming, we are sensing that switch S1 and then S2 parallelly connected, and then output is connected to one common B or a bulb or a output, whatever it may be. And a PLC ladder for a AND logic, for example, AND logic it should be S1 and then S2. For example, input 1 and then input 2 should be high, then only the output will be high. So we are connecting the two switches in a series manner. The functionality of the AND logic will be completed. So for example, we are giving some kind of small example. So a simple example of such as a situation is a bulb which is started by pressing the button switch. Although the switch contacts do not remain closed, it is required that the bulb continue to run until the stop button switch is pressed. The latching is used to stay the bulb run until the push button is pressed again. So S1 here in this diagram, S1 will be normally open, NO push button is to start motor, S2 is normally closed, and then push button to off the motor, B is the output, for example say bulb. So this is the example. So PLC ladder programming, we have a pneumatic circuit. So see that pneumatic circuit is somewhat complicated. That pneumatic circuit is simply designed with the help of PLC ladders. So and also the PLC ladders, for example, online DOL starters and some kind of things we are using a PLC ladders. And also the programmable one, we are making some kind of block diagrams. With the help of block diagram we can derive the systems. So the practice direct online motor starter applications, we are using a PB start and then motor. So for example, this kind of things are designed with the help of him. So for example, case study, So we are making a traffic light. So in traffic lights we are using start and then stop. So with this condition the output is connected to relay and then red lamp, yellow lamp and then green lamp. So based on the applications we are fixing the timing and then time durations. So based on the time durations, when the red light will be starts to glow, when the yellow light starts to glow and then when the green light starts to glow. So and also the car parking systems also designed and then car parking system also completed with the help of a PLC programming controllers. Thank you. So thank you for watching. I hope you understood the concept. We will see in our next topic in another class. Thank you.